Jesus was really a rock star, or shall we say, a magnet of people. Just try to imagine that his house were filled with the people, that even others cannot move freely. But here comes a paralytic on a stretcher wishing to see Jesus. Malamang sa malamang, lahat ng mga taong nakakatipon doon ay gustong malapitan, makausap, makita o marinig ng harapan si Jesus. And this paralytic had no means to come near Jesus. Paralitiko na siya at di pa siya nakakagalaw. Madami ding tao. Paano na lang din yung gusto niyang mapagaling siya sa kanyang sakit. But we would like to thank the 4 men and even the crowd for giving way to this man to see and be healed by Jesus. Bayanihan nga sa ating Pilipinong kultura o karanasan. Dahil nahihirapan ng iba, sabi nga natin, one for all for one. All for one, one for all. The 4 men brought the paralytic to Jesus. The crowds gave their way. Kahit ba lahat sila gusto nilang makita si Jesus. And with those gestures of love, the paralytic became healed. He was healed of his sickness. My beloved brothers and sisters, our life of faith may not be always easy. Life itself is not easy. Even to believe God and even to have the guts to be near God in every moment of trial, we find it hard to get near. But we thank the Lord for those people carrying and even giving way to us so that blessings may come our way. Madami po tayong nakamit sa buhay na ito. Marahil hindi lang po dahil magaling tayo o nagdasal tayo, nakapagkompleto tayo ng nobina, na kompleto natin ang simbang gabi. O kumilos tayo sa ating kakayanan. But let us also remember, tandaan po natin, madami din po kasing nakaalala sa atin. Many brought us to the Lord. Many gave their way so that all of us can also be well and be blessed. You might remember someone who is a paralytic, who might even find it hard to be well in this life. Mga tao na hindi kayang kumilos ng malaya o nakagapos na lamang sa kani-kanilang mga problema o pinagdadaanan. We might be even that paralytic who find it hard to move and to live well in this life. But let us not forget to be loving friends who would carry each other and even give way for people to see blessings. May we remember as well that in our paralysis, in our sickness and trials, others are more than willing to carry us and give way for us to see the Lord. Others may find it hard to move and live, but be someone who can carry them to Jesus and give them way to see the Lord. Be a blessing, be the reason why someone will be happy today, and be the reason why someone will love God evermore every day.